Dear students, today we are going to study power quality concern with a distribution generation. So, first one is harmonics. So, in that there are three cases we are going to discuss. First case is there is only one fundamental frequency in the current, that is there is no harmonic in the system. Second is two PV plants are introduced, that is photovoltaic plants are introduced. The current injected by the photovoltaic plant had some distortions and showed some harmonics component, especially 33th and 37th order. Case 3, harmonic appear at the output current of PV plant having slightly distorted current waveform. So, according to high EEE standard 1547, they suggest that current THD must not exceed 5%. All the THDs in these cases were well within the limit. The other fact is dominant harmonic are higher order which may not exceed the imposed THD limit, but their frequency range may be concerned for EMI related impacts. So, smart grid communication device may be affected due to this. So, after this harmonic, second we are going to discuss here is voltage fluctuation. Again there are three cases, that is bus voltage changed as the loading changed. Even though the feeder is equipped with voltage regulation devices, still at some loading conditions the voltage went either above or below plus or minus 5%. Case 2, the voltage at bus, that is BU 200 near the substation may not affected much and voltage change was insignificant. The system load was taken to exceed the limit, which is a peak up to 8 megawatt. So, capacitor banks were fully working, but still were not able to boost the voltage up. So, this is in case 2. Similarly, in case 3, the voltage of the bus near the substation is stiff and only some minor fluctuations appear, but the voltage at bus BU sorry 205, that is close to both PV and WT, and voltage fluctuations of mean value of 0.05 pu. Next is flickering. Flicker is an immersion of understandableness of visual sensation caused by the voltage fluctuation. Flicker evaluation is done based on the probability of flicker perceptibility based on instantaneous flicker level gathered over a period of 10 minutes. The model block used computes a cumulative probability function and then reduces it to a single value, short term probability. For MV system, the voltage fluctuation should be less than 3%. The value found is to be in tested case were all below 3% limit. Therefore, no flicker was reported as per the case studies. So, these are the three power quality concern in the distribution network. Thank you.